Right now, we're check-in at the Grand Hyatt Hotel here in BGC. I'll just show you what the double single bed looks like. So we have a mirror here, and there's a separate toilet area. Medyo masikip, pero toilet lang kasi yan. So we have the mirror here, and great, we have a full-length mirror pang OOTD, and then ito rin meron din pala. So this is what I'm wearing. And here is the bathroom. So we have a bathtub, and here's the sink, and another mirror, nice lighting, and for the first time in my life, there's a walk-in closet. And here we have the ironing board. Ito na kaya mag-steamer. So we have the standard things that you get from a hotel. We have the extra pillows here. There. So we have extra pillows, and then downstairs we have the different coat hangers. And here are items, complimentary slippers with the laundry bag, and safety deposit bag. Ganda, walk-in closet. And here's what the room looks like. So we have a two single beds, and then there's another mirror here, and a couch, and then we have a table, coffee table, working table, and here are the complimentary. Everything in this cabinet is complimentary according to one of the staff. So we have here, what's this? Coffee pods. So we have here coffee pods and paper cups. And we have paper cups, and we have here teapot and Ili coffee machine. We have the complimentary water, banana chips, and here on the drawers, none here. There are tea bags here with sugar and coffee. And then here's our mini refrigerator. Is there a mini bar here? Glasses. And we have here the electronic kettle. What's this? Ito. Paper plates. And let's check our view. This is our view from our room. Skyscrapers. And we have the TV here. Sorry, no, I was not able to emphasize that there are 3 separate rooms just for the toilet and bathroom. So we have one room here for the toilet, and on the left side, you have another room for the bathtub. And on my right, there's another room for the shower. So super dami, and it's so good. Let's look at what's inside the drawer. So these are the amenities that are included in the room. So the loofah, shaving cape, shower cup, sanitary bag, sewing kit, dental kit. There's vanity kit.